Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I am going to be reviewing and giving you a first impression on the Lux Unfiltered Tanner. When I first saw this, I was like, I need to review this on my channel because this is a non-toxic tanner and I'm all about the non-toxic stuff. So this is right up my alley. But before we get started, hi, my name is Amanda. Welcome to my channel. I upload weekly content, so make sure you are subscribed if you are not already. And also hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. I did film a couple clips 2 days ago of me applying this tanner, and I wanted to wait a couple days before I gave you my thoughts because I wanted to see how it performed over those few days. Before I applied this tanner, I did do a deep exfoliation of my skin using one of these little exfoliator mini things. This is by Beauty by Earth, but you can get one from anywhere. Like, they all work really good, but I highly recommend one of these, whether you're taking off old tanner or just in general, like exfoliating your skin. When I got out of the shower, I put some lotion on like the spots on my skin that tend to get more dry, like my elbows, my ankles, my feet, my wrists, my hands, my knees, that type of thing. And once that was soaked in real nice, I used this mitt. This is also by Beauty by Earth, but you can use whatever one. I do like the mitts that have the thumb hole. This one doesn't have one because my other one's dirty, so I had to use this one. But this worked great. I highly recommend a mitt over just your hands. You just get like a better, more seamless application that way. It does have a slight rosy scent to it, and it is quite strong, but it does fade over time. Like after you blend it in and you kind of like let it soak in and then you put on some clothes, like you don't smell it anymore. And another thing I do want to mention is that you do not get that fake self tanner smell with this product. That's one thing that this brand claims, is that it doesn't give you that nasty fake tan smell, and they are correct. I did not detect any scent like that whatsoever on my skin. That was one of the bigger things for me because every other tanner I've ever used has always given me that leftover fake tanner scent, and you know exactly what I mean if you use self tanners. Another thing I want to mention is that this is a white cream. It does not have a tint to it, so it's not going to guide you as you're rubbing it into your skin, so just keep that in mind as well. So you might have to pay attention to where you're blending it out, kind of like make sure you're getting where the product ends and then where it starts again, and just like buffing those edges out so you don't have any like streaks or where you missed something. I never find that to be a problem. I always get a really good even application regardless if the tanner is tinted or not. After I applied it, I waited like 4 hours or so, and then I actually did a workout. And I don't know if that was good or bad to do because I just applied it 4 hours prior, but I did a workout and I didn't notice any transfer on my clothes, so that's good. And then I also took a shower right away after that. And when I got out of the shower, I could tell my skin had a tint to it, but it wasn't at all dramatic. Like, it was honestly barely a shade darker than my normal skin tone, and I'm very fair. I'm just like, yes, I'm going to apply another coat right away. So I dried off, reapplied the lotion to like my elbows, my knees, all that stuff, and put on another layer the same way I did before, blended it in real nice, and then just chilled out the rest of the night, went to bed. And then when I woke up in the morning, I had a really nice even tan, and I was actually super impressed with how the color developed because based on the first coat, I didn't think I was gonna get much from it, but the second one definitely gave results, and I was really happy with how it developed and how deep it looked. I also filmed some clips today of the tan before I sat down to film this video, and I think it looks really good. It's still popping. It definitely has kept its color, and I'm really excited to see over the next few days how the color begins to fade and if it wears off real nice and it doesn't look weird. So yeah, that's something that I'm gonna be keeping an eye out for. First impressions on this, I think it went really well. I really appreciate that it doesn't have that tanner smell. I really like that it has a pleasant scent to it as well, and I do like that it fades away because I don't know if I would get tired of that, if it would hang around, you know what I mean? So if you're looking for a non-toxic tanner, I definitely suggest trying this one out. I think it's a really good option if you're looking for something that is non-toxic. If there is another product that I need to check out, and make sure you let me know down below. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and make sure you are subscribed if you are not already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!